Imagine cruising down a scenic road, the breeze brushing against your face, the sun setting behind the mountains, and you're not in a massive RV, you're in a tricycle. But not just any tricycle. This is a fully equipped tricycle camper RV, a mini home on 3 wheels that's redefining how we think about freedom and adventure. At first glance, it looks like a quirky science experiment or something out of a futuristic cartoon. But then you realize, it's genius. Compact, eco-friendly, and unbelievably practical. It's like your childhood dreams of running away with your bike got a high-tech upgrade. The frame is lightweight but durable, and it's often powered by either pedal force, electric motors, or a combination of both. That means you're not just traveling, you're traveling green. And here's where it gets wild. Despite its small size, the Tricycle Camper RV manages to pack in the essentials. Slide open a hatch or unfold a panel, and suddenly you've got a bed, a kitchenette, and even storage for your gear. Some models are so ingeniously designed that you'd swear a magician built them. It's like one of those folding origami pieces, compact at first, but then it transforms into something incredible. What's really amazing is how this tiny house on wheels speaks to the minimalist spirit. You don't need a massive SUV towing a 5th-wheel trailer. You don't even need a driver's license in some places. You just need a sense of adventure and a willingness to pedal your way into new experiences. It's freedom in the purest form, no gas stations, no noisy engines, just you and the open road. Now imagine pulling into a quiet forest clearing. No loud engine to announce your arrival, no massive vehicle to squeeze into a tight spot. You just gently roll in, park, and in minutes, you're all set. Pop the camper shell, unfold your seat into a bed, cook up something simple on a tiny gas burner, and just like that, you're home. All while surrounded by nature, with nothing but the sound of birds and a crackling campfire nearby. And it's not just for the wild outdoors. In urban areas, these tricycle campers are turning heads and changing lives. With rising rents and shrinking spaces, people are discovering that a trike with a camper shell can be a real solution. Imagine rolling up to your favorite beach, parking for free, and sleeping steps from the waves, all without paying for a hotel or even a parking spot. Some of these trike campers even come with solar panels, giving you enough juice to power lights, charge your phone, or run a tiny fridge. You're off-grid, but you're not off comfort. You can be sipping coffee while watching the sunrise, charging your devices using the sun, and knowing you left behind 0 emissions. It's the kind of thing that makes people stop and stare. Kids point. Adults smile. Other travelers walk over, curious to peek inside. It sparks conversations, builds community, and reminds people that travel doesn't have to mean luxury. Sometimes, it's about simplicity and heart. Of course, there are challenges. You won't be going 70 miles an hour on the freeway. You'll need to plan your routes carefully, make sure your batteries are charged, and maybe even get used to some slower days. But in that slower pace, you'll find something a lot of people are missing: presence. You'll notice the flowers on the roadside, hear the crunch of gravel under your tires, and actually feel every mile of your journey. And if you're thinking this is only for hardcore campers or eccentric adventurers, think again. More and more people, from digital nomads to retirees, are embracing the tricycle camper RV lifestyle. It's economical, it's environmentally friendly, and most of all, it's fun. There's something wonderfully whimsical about riding your home down the street. It turns heads, it inspires others, and it gives you stories you'll never forget. So next time you see one of these tiny rolling homes on the road, give a wave. Someone in there is living life on their own terms, choosing the journey over the destination, and proving that sometimes, less really is more. And who knows? Maybe your next great adventure doesn't need a plane ticket or a giant RV. Maybe it just needs a trike, a camper, and a little curiosity. Thanks for watching, and if this sparked your imagination even a little, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around. Because we've got a lot more wheels, dreams, and tiny adventures coming your way.